everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view the screen time for your different applications on your Motorola phone so you can see how long you've used this application. And this is actually really easy to do. We can just go back to the home screen here, swipe down from the top and go to settings. And then locate apps right here. And then locate the app you want to see the screen time for, so we can go to apps right here. And you can just go to the application. And then we have screen time right here. So we can see I use Facebook for less than 1 minute. And then we can go to the top and go to notifications received, times opened. We got daily, hourly. Oh gosh, if you're using hourly. But you can just do this per application and just check that out. But yeah, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.